This LV monogram Speedy bag was sent to us by a client. Due to the bag wearing out, they asked us to give it a complete transformation. The reference given to our experts by our client was LV's Alma BB Bag. Our experts did their research to understand how to repurpose the Speedy bag to Alma BB. Let the Operation Alma BB begin. Voila! But how was this made? It needed a thorough inspection, some sketching, some design mapping, some cutting and stitching. The results are in front of your eyes. The bag looks clean and bright. The handle was replaced. A new bag was bought. This is the power of repurposing. This is the power of the leather laundry. Because at the leather laundry, we repair, restore, and reimagine.